Hi, this is Doreen Velin. I'm going to take you on a crazy art walk today. You know, if you've been watching some of my videos, you do hear that I'm a gypsy background. So my great-grandmother from Wales was a Didakai gypsy. So my dad used to say we have pure blue blood. So, you know, have you ever, I bet you, I was going to say I bet you $1,000, but I can't do that. So I'm going to say I can guarantee that you've never been on a gypsy art walk before. So I'm going to take you on one. Now you're going to think I'm a little crazy. This is an art video, but you won't know it. You know, there's art everywhere. We all create. And this is a beautiful planter here, created by a designer. And you'll see the red and green. That's complementary colors, right? And then you got your center part going up. It's a beautiful triangle. This is actually a nice piece of art. So just to you know, there's art everywhere. It doesn't matter where we look. Like, look at this one. You know, that's not so good. See how your eye kind of goes bloop, bloop. Doesn't look so good. See, there is a difference. And this is more artistic. See, there's art everywhere. See this, the spiky plant behind the big leafy one? That's to give it texture. Now you have straight lines and you have triangles. So you have all different shapes, which makes something very interesting. Yes, there's art everywhere. You know, some people would take you to famous art galleries in Toronto, but here I am, a little different. I'm at the Graffiti Alley, and it's just at the start of Chinatown in Toronto, and a lot of great artists have started here. And you'll see they have a handle. They all have their tag, and it's really interesting. Look at this. These beautiful colors. Look at you guys. This is beautiful art. This is complementary colors. You can't do anything better than that. Look at that. Well, we'll exclude the garbage cans. Probably artists to be, perhaps, if they're still alive and not dead on drugs. But a lot of these people actually become famous artists. So, you know, you can go through all the art galleries you want, but this is way more fun. Look at that, eh? It's beautiful. That's a whole wall there. Beautiful art. I want to thank you for joining me. This is Doreen Velin on YouTube. Check me out again.